What's up, guys? We are in Grom Garage right now, and we have a super dumb idea. Tim just came over here, and let me show you what we're planning here. So, there's Tim.
Hi, guys.
So, he's got these Stand-Up Industries subcage here, if it'll focus correctly, and it's got the flat bar. So, what we want to do is we want to put a truck on the opposite side over here, like a skateboard truck. So, I used to skate, so we have two boards right here, and we're trying to decide between this one or this one. Kind of like this one because it's more basic, as well as it just being white, so it kind of matches the bike. So I think we're going to be bolting this down, and then Tim, you're going to do some scrapes, right?
From a stop, I guess.
From a stop.
Lift the bike up to 12.
I'm putting you on like a freaking brand new wheel, because obviously
He's giving me all the freshness.
that one doesn't spin, so I'm gonna try to give you a better one here. So that way, when you hit the ground, it actually spins.
It'll just be a slider. Doesn't really spin.
I told you, it's not very good. What's the worst that could happen? You know, the sad part is these are actually good trucks. Like, they're made out of titanium and everything. Like, they're lightweight trucks. They're really good.
Hopefully they're strong.
Yeah, I was gonna give him another truck, and it's cracked down the freaking thing where I've just skated it super hard. So
he's like, yeah, you can use this one. I'm like, I don't know.
And it's cracked. This is what he wants to use to, I don't know.
Pinch it onto the 12 bar.
Okay, we'll try. Let's kind of look at it.
When I put the brackets on the headlight brackets on.
That's not on.
There we go. Things are getting wild. Man, Kyle, you're always doing construction and working on bikes. It's almost like you're a professional.
Don't start saying I'm a professional. Don't do that shit.
I mean, but I think when you do stuff for a living, you become a professional.
I'm not a professional at this. Don't start telling people.
Look at that, man. Just so professional.
Shut the hell up. Let me try this Christmas tree bit, because I remember it was really sharp. So if anything, it'll help me get the hole started. My drill won't let me go in the fastest speed. There it goes, there it goes. Now we're cooking.
Alright guys, so we got the holes drilled. Now Kyle's found some hardware. We're getting it put together.
Yeah, I told Tim to film this because this next episode, if you guys see like wheelie tips or something like that, we found out something. You know, like we might have just figured something out. How badass is it though that it's the same white? That's badass, dude. Can you hold this? You excited for 12 o'clock, Tim?
Yeah.
Why did your voice sound like that?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
A little shaky. I feel like I should just give it up. I should just stretch my Grom.
When you know Grom life is over, you stretch it. This bolt's longer than that bolt, but whatever. It works the same, right? All right, so here is the setup. We got the skateboard truck with the wheels. We got the white matching, pretty close at least. And so what I used is some rubber risers that I had just laying around. So basically that doesn't scratch up all his crap. So, and then we got bolts going through there with little washers. These are nylon threaded nuts on the other side. And that basically is going to hold it on there. So now is the testing stage. We got the thing on there. We're gonna see how it does. Okay, now put it on the thing.
Whoa, that's sketchy.
Dude, this is so stupid. Oh my gosh.
Why y'all let me do this?
Look at that crap. Roll it forward. He's getting a little. Oh, you got it.
Maybe.
Let's touch that front tire. Yeah. Look at that. I'm spinning your front tire. Would you consider it a success, or do you think people shouldn't do this?
Should not do this. Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home. You can hear it. You can hear it a little bit. You get used to your bike. I touched it. Did you see it?
I didn't see it. I was looking
Dude,
at the camera.
I definitely touched it. You can hear it vibrating, can't you? Yeah. Well, he's great. Dude, you look badass. One, you got the shades on, and you got the freaking skateboard trucks, man. Look at how legit, dude. Hell yeah, you could reach back and spin that.
The
Hell yeah.
spinners, man.
Spinner, man. Yeah, man. He's got spinners on his bike. Am I close?
Yeah.
Dude, it rolls. It rolls. Oh my goodness. Dude, I was like, dude, this is great. It works. We put skateboard wheels on the back of his sub cage. So every time it hits, the skateboard wheels spin. Guys, I just got done with that and it actually works. I got film from him, but hopefully it'll show on the film from this angle as well. But I definitely touched it and it definitely spun. So that was awesome. I'm literally shaking with excitement right now.
A good shot. And he avoided the camera?
Avoided the camera as well, yeah. I gotta get more speed.
No handbrake.
All right, we're gonna tighten up the trucks just a little bit because basically every time I hit, it flexes, so.
Trucks, it's truck.
It's truck, yeah, you're right, it's just truck. So we're gonna tighten that up real quick. I think this is gonna be it for this video.
Yeah, time to call it.
Yeah, I almost dropped your bike. Sorry about that. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely look out for him in the next couple videos where he's gonna be. Technically, it's not a scrape.
It's rolling.
Technically, yeah. Technically, you're rolling.
Be rolling sideways.
All right, guys. I'll see you guys next week. This was a dumb idea, but it works.